Ever wondered what cloud computing is and why it's so important? Welcome to the Data Lab Work Channel. Today we are going to learn about cloud computing and its purpose. Well, let's break it down. Imagine the cloud as a virtual space that exists on the internet, a space where you can store and retrieve data, run applications and more. Now, instead of having to physically store all your files on your device with cloud computing, you can store them in this virtual space. And what's the advantage? Accessibility. It doesn't matter where you are or what device you're using. As long as you have an internet connection, you can access your data and applications. You can work on a document on your home computer, make edits on your phone while commuting, and then present it from a borrowed laptop in a meeting room, all without the hassle of transferring files. Moreover, cloud computing isn't just for personal use. Businesses, industries, and researchers all leverage its power to streamline their operations. In essence, cloud computing is a revolution in how we store and access data. You might be using cloud computing right now without even realizing it. It's a silent power, a driving force behind many of the services we use daily. From emailing to video streaming, from data storage to virtual meetings, cloud computing is everywhere. Take Google Drive, for instance. Those documents, spreadsheets, and presentations you work on are all stored in the cloud. You can access them from any device at any location, as long as you're connected to the internet. No worries about losing your work if your laptop crashes or your phone gets stolen. It's all safely tucked away in the cloud. Or consider Netflix. When you're binge-watching your favorite series, you're not downloading each episode to your device. Instead, you're streaming it directly from Netflix's servers. That's cloud computing in action. Dropbox is another example. It allows you to store and share files in the cloud. You can access your files from anywhere, collaborate with others, and keep your data secure. Online banking, social media, even your smart home devices, they all rely on cloud computing. Your bank transactions are processed in the cloud. Your social media posts are stored in the cloud. Your smart thermostat adjusts your home's temperature based on data it receives from the cloud. These examples show that cloud computing is already integrated into our daily lives. It's not just a buzzword or a tech trend, it's a reality that's transforming how we live, work, and play. So you might ask, why is cloud computing so critical? Let's delve into this. Cloud computing revolutionizes the way we store, manage, and process data, offering several compelling benefits. First and foremost, cost efficiency. Traditional data centers are expensive, requiring hardware, utilities, and a large team of IT professionals. Cloud computing eliminates these costs, allowing businesses to pay for only the services they use. This pay-as-you-go model makes it a cost-effective solution for businesses of all sizes. Next, we have scalability. Cloud computing provides the flexibility to scale your IT resources up or down based on demand. You're not locked into a fixed capacity. Instead, during peak periods, you can easily increase your computing power and then scale it back when demand decreases. This dynamic nature of cloud computing ensures you're never short on resources or paying for more than you need. Then there's flexibility. With traditional computing, if you need to access your data or applications, you're tied to a specific location. With cloud computing, your data is available wherever you are, whenever you need it. This mobility supports a remote workforce, enabling collaboration and productivity from any location. Data recovery is another essential benefit. In the event of a disaster, having your data stored in the cloud ensures it can be quickly recovered and your business can continue as usual. This resilience is crucial in today's digital world where data loss can have devastating impacts. Moreover, cloud computing is environmentally friendly. It optimizes energy use, reducing the carbon footprint. By sharing resources, cloud computing allows for more efficient use of energy than traditional computing. Lastly, it's worth mentioning the innovation that cloud computing brings. It provides a platform for businesses to experiment and innovate without the risk or high costs associated with traditional IT deployment. This encourages businesses to push boundaries, driving growth and competitiveness. So, as we've seen, cloud computing brings cost efficiency, scalability, flexibility, data recovery, environmental friendliness, and innovation. These advantages of cloud computing make it an indispensable tool in today's digital age. As we move toward an increasingly connected world, what role will cloud computing play? Let's delve into that question. The advent of 5th and 6th generation wireless technology, commonly known as 5G and 6G, is set to revolutionize many sectors, including cloud computing. These technologies will significantly affect how we utilize the cloud, opening up new possibilities and enhancing existing capabilities. Speed, is the heart of this revolution. With 5G, we're looking at peak data rates of up to 20 gigabits per second, and 6G is projected to deliver even more impressive speeds. This translates into lightning-fast data transfer, which will make the cloud feel like an extension of your device's local storage. Alongside speed, we also have reliability. 5G and 6G networks are designed to provide more robust and reliable connections. This means less downtime and fewer interruptions, which is crucial for cloud services that rely on constant connectivity. Your data will be there when you need it, without any hiccups. But perhaps the most transformative aspect of 5G and 6G in relation to cloud computing is their ability to handle a vast number of connected devices simultaneously. We're not just talking about smartphones and tablets, but also Internet of Things, IoT devices, autonomous vehicles, and more. These networks can handle this increased load, allowing more devices to benefit from the power of the cloud. This enhanced connectivity will also enable the rise of edge computing, a paradigm where computation is performed at the edge of the network, closer to the source of data. This reduces latency and allows for real-time processing, which is particularly useful for applications that demand instant responses like autonomous driving or robotic surgery. In summary, the arrival of 5G and 6G will turbocharge cloud computing. We'll see faster data transfer, more reliable connections, and the ability to accommodate more devices than ever before. This will not only improve our current use of the cloud, but also open up new paths for innovation. With 5G and 6G, cloud computing will become even more efficient and powerful. Indeed, we are standing on the brink of a new era in cloud technology, one that promises to reshape our digital landscape. Cloud computing is not just for personal use, it has significant implications for researchers and industries. Diving into the realm of research, the sheer computational power and colossal data storage capacities of the cloud are revolutionizing the way we conduct studies and investigations. Researchers can now grapple with complex simulations, data-intensive tasks, and large-scale experiments that were once beyond reach. Imagine a biologist studying genomic data from thousands of organisms, or a physicist simulating the birth of a star. These are not small tasks. They require not just powerful computers, but also the capacity to store and analyze vast amounts of data. And that's where the cloud comes in. The cloud enables researchers to access high-performance computing power on demand, without the need for owning and maintaining expensive hardware. It's like having a supercomputer at your fingertips, ready to work on your command. The cloud also provides virtually limitless data storage, making it easier to manage and analyze large datasets. But the implications of cloud computing extend beyond the ivory towers of academia. Industries, from healthcare to finance, are also harnessing the power of the cloud. In the healthcare sector, cloud computing is used for data analytics to predict disease trends, improve patient care, and streamline hospital operations. In finance, the cloud enables real-time data processing and risk analysis, helping businesses make informed decisions. Customer relationship management, or CRM, another vital aspect of most businesses, is also being transformed by cloud computing. It allows companies to manage and analyze customer interactions and data throughout the customer lifecycle, improving business relationships and aiding in customer retention. The manufacturing sector is leveraging cloud computing for managing supply chains, optimizing production processes, and even predicting machinery maintenance needs. The list goes on. Regardless of the industry, the cloud is proving to be a game changer, offering powerful tools for data analysis, storage, and processing. From academia to industry, cloud computing is changing the way we work and research. Curious to learn more about cloud computing? Diving into this exciting field is easier than ever, thanks to a variety of simulations and learning platforms designed to make cloud computing accessible to everyone. Let's explore a few of these platforms. First on the list is AWS Educate, an initiative by Amazon Web Services. AWS Educate provides a robust set of no-cost tools for students and educators, offering hands-on access to the latest AWS technology, training resources, and an engaging user community. It's like a playground for cloud computing, where you can experiment and learn at your own pace. Next, we have Google Cloud Platform. Google has taken a different approach, offering a comprehensive suite of cloud computing services that run on the same infrastructure that Google uses internally for its end-user products. This platform allows you to learn by doing, offering a range of tutorials and labs to get you fully immersed in the world of cloud computing. Finally, there's Microsoft Azure. This platform provides access to more than 200 services and endpoints, including AI and machine learning, analytics, and Internet of Things services. It's a well-rounded platform that allows you to explore the vast array of possibilities that cloud computing offers. These platforms are just the tip of the iceberg. There are countless other resources out there, all designed to help you navigate the world of cloud computing. With these tools, anyone can explore the vast potentials of cloud computing. If you enjoyed watching the video, kindly hit the like button. If you have not already subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe to our channel to encourage us to make useful videos. Hit the notification bell to get all the updates whenever new videos are uploaded. Until next time, see you.